Hey everyone, something that came up with one of our clients is cookie and consent management within HubSpot, and I don't think this is talked about much often, so I'll just make a quick video to show you how it consent HubSpot. So if you're getting traffic from the US, you're California, you need to add cookie consent banners and stuff. So HubSpot actually has this default setting where you can just enable GDPR, and then it adds cookie consent and all that email stuff and form stuff to your HubSpot pages and forms and website and wherever your HubSpot tracking code is. Let me actually turn this off now. And then what's interesting is that you can also add external domains that are not hosted on HubSpot. So I'll add multiagency.com. Oh, okay. See, there we go. And what this will do is that even though it's a domain that's not in HubSpot, so it's a virtual domain, I can manage cookies on that as well. So set. Then I can do European Union for whatever else countries, and I could even add do you know whether or not cookies, or you want to not cookie for specific pages and all that stuff. So you can do a lot of stuff with these things. And then you can customize color, close button, that stuff. But yeah, I hope this is helpful. I know this is probably a little bit too niche for a lot of people, but I think it's pretty interesting that HubSpot actually provides this. If you don't use HubSpot and you need cookie stuff, check out Nzuzo, which was one of our customers, and they help with cookie and consent banners. Cheers, thank you.